Welcome to 105 Island View Manor, another fine listing from Ross Cooper of Remax Powell River. This two-bedroom condo is an affordable buying alternative to our current rental market. Located in historic townsite and a block from tennis and pickleball courts. Comfortable unit with all appliances. So consider this home as a place not to max out your budget and deliver on comfort. Thanks for watching. This home is easy to show, so contact your favorite agent today for a viewing.